everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly create a custom sales agent that can leverage your Salesforce data to support your sales team. So we are going to use Copilot Studio for this. I'll start by creating a new agent. So in today's demo, I'll show you how you can create your own custom sales agent that can leverage Salesforce data in less than 30 minutes using Copilot Studio. So we'll start by creating a new agent in Copilot Studio. So I'm starting creation of new agent. I'll use the configured so that I can quickly set this up. I'll call this sales support agent. Maybe I'll use one of the logos here. We want to make it production ready, so I'm going to use the Salesforce icon. I'll call this the description can be one-liner. This is an agent that supports our sales team using CRM data. And then for instructions, I've already compiled the instructions. So let me just copy this first, and then I will explain what I'm doing here. So let's see. I'm going to just use that for now. And then we want to add, so we're not going to add any knowledge. We are going to turn off the web search because we don't want this agent to use any web data. It's just going to use data from our CRM system, and then we'll say create. So this should create the skeleton for our agent, and then we'll review the instructions. Okay, so the agent is provisioned. Let's edit this because the icon didn't show up. I'm just going to re-add it here. Let's add the Salesforce icon since we are going to leverage the Salesforce data. We'll clean up the instructions in a bit. Let's go ahead and add the tools. So let's start by connecting it to our Salesforce instance. So we'll use pre-built connectors here. So you just look for Salesforce. We're not going to leverage the MCP. This is the easiest way to do it. But for now, we're going to use individual connectors. So we'll start with get records. We need this one. I already have a connection. If you don't have a connection, you can create a new connection using your Salesforce credentials. So I'm going to add get records. Next, I'm going to add Salesforce. You might have to add a few tools here. So we want to add get product records from Salesforce if we want to show the product information. Let's say add. And next we are going to add that contact information. Then I'm going to add get case information if we want to show cases from Salesforce. So look for get case records from Salesforce. Okay, so you can see I have added all the pre-built connectors actions. So we have 10 of them. Quickly to review what these actions do. So we have create record that allows creation of new opportunity or new lead. Um, get account records basically allows you to pull account level information. Get case allows you to get case information. Contact information allows you to get contact information for given account. Get object types. It shows you all the objects in Salesforce. You can again get opportunity records. So pulling opportunity data from Salesforce. For products, we use this action. Get records is basically allows you to specify the object and the action that needs to be done. Get user records allows you to get user information. And then for updating any opportunity or lead, you can use the update record. So these are the 10 connectors I have added. So now if we go back to our overview tab, let's quickly review the instructions. So I'm saying you are a sales agent that has access to our Salesforce CRM data and used by our sales team. Please answer user question using the data in our Salesforce instance. Do not respond with piecemeal information and always provide information in a single response. This is important because if you are asking for account update kind of question, you want to make sure the response is a single response and you're not getting information using multiple messages. So here I'm also giving some guardrails around how it needs to respond when certain questions are asked. For example, if the sales team is asking about um, uh, getting help to prepare for upcoming meeting, I'm making sure it's using the right tool. So in this case, it's using get records, and then um, getting the account ID for the given account and then pulling all the information related to that account. Same way for creation of new opportunity, I'm making sure it's first getting the account ID and then using the create record action to create the new opportunity. And then lastly, I also have this function here, which allows the agent to know today's state. So, for example, if the salesperson is asking question around, current fiscal year, it will know exactly which year it needs to reference. So that's the setup. Now let's quickly look also at settings here. So I have turned on the Gen AI orchestration so that it can automatically use the right tool based on user's question. I don't need deep reasoning. I don't need connected agents. I'm going to change my default model to GPT 4.1. You can choose any based on your requirement. You could choose GPT-5 as well, but for now, I'll just stick with GPT 4.1. I think that's good enough. And then I'm not going to specify any template for the response. I'll keep the moderation to moderate. I don't want to collect users' feedback. I want agent to use the general knowledge, but not the information from web. I don't need to support file uploading, and I don't need tenant graph. So I'll save that. Okay, so now that we have saved these settings, let's go ahead and start testing our agent. So we can start by asking a question like, show me top 5 opportunities for this fiscal year. And you can see it's going to use the right action and provide a very detailed response. And you can see how fast it's responding. Same way I can ask, I have an paste this here. I have an upcoming in-person meeting with United Oil and Gas Corp. That's the customer, or that's the account. Can you help me prepare for this meeting? And you can see it's going to provide a detailed response along with best actions or best next steps to take on that account. So you can see it's created this really detailed uh, pointers where it provides the account overview, who the key contacts are, all the open opportunities for current fiscal year, recently closed opportunity, recommendations, and next step. So your salesperson can use this information to prepare for upcoming meeting. I can also say something like, can you show me top 5 selling products for our company? And you can see it's able to use the product information as well. Um, or let's ask something like, which is our largest opportunity this fiscal year? And you can see it's provided a detailed response. I can then say, can you create a deal acceleration plan for this opportunity? And this should create a deal acceleration plan using the data associated with that account. So here you can see it's providing the account overview, account details, and then giving a detailed acceleration plan where it's suggesting we engage with stakeholders, how we position our or how we show our value prop and differentiation, any pointers for proposal optimization, timeline management. So this is a very detailed acceleration plan along with next best steps. So here you can see it's able to create pretty much any or answer any question that a typical salesperson would have related to account management, or when preparing for any upcoming meeting. Next, I also wanted to quickly show you how you can create new opportunities. So I can ask something like, can you create a new opportunity? uh, can you create a new opportunity using this information? So I'm providing opportunity name, account name, stage, close date, amount, and type. Those are some of the required fields in order to create new opportunity in Salesforce. And you can see it's able to use that information and create a new new opportunity. So here you can see it's given me the opportunity ID. I can also say something like, can you update the stage on this opportunity to proposal? So this will allow, oh, I don't know why, maybe let me try that again. I can say something like, maybe I can use the opportunity ID so that it knows exactly which one to update. But we can tweak the instructions to do this. So let me just update that. And you can see here the opportunity was successfully, stage was successfully updated to proposal. So this is like how you can create a sales agent that can interact with all your Salesforce CRM data. It also can handle things like onboarding somebody on the account. So if I ask something like, I'm newly assigned account manager for this account. Can you provide me a full account overview so that I can understand the account status? So you can see here it will create a detailed account plan for this so that the new person starting on this account has all the information that he or she needs in order to get up to speed. So here you can see it's giving account overview, key contacts, what are the opportunities, open cases, account status, next best action, etc., etc. And furthermore, like if I'm the new assigned account manager and if I want to create a detailed execution plan. So I can ask something like, can you help me create a 90-day plan that I can execute on this account? It should use the account information and create a 90-day plan. So it will show me the breakdown by 30, 60, 90-day milestone. So here you can see it's created this detailed plan first 30 days, 30 to 60 days, and 60 to 90 days, along with some recommendation. I have deployed this agent on Teams and also in M365. So Copilot Studio supports different channels. In my case today, I'm using Teams and M365 Copilot, where end users can use this agent if they have access to it in Teams or in M365 Copilot. So now let's quickly look at the demo. So here is the agent. So you can see I have pinned it in Teams, so I can directly interact from here, or I can go to Copilot and see all the agents that I have access to. So I have access to all these agents. I can create new agents. I can also add mention. So if I want to use Copilot and I need to redirect a particular question to this agent, I can just simply type add and then select this agent in order to start talking to this agent. For today's demo, I'll click on this agent so that you can see exactly how this agent is responding. I have also created this pre-built prompts that will make it easy for your end user to use this agent. So for example, if I want to say prepare for a meeting, I can simply click this and you can see it's already pre-populating this question and I just need to provide the customer name. So let's say I want to say, can you help me prepare for meeting with this customer? And I'll give it a name. So let's choose one of the name from my Salesforce instance. So I'll say United Oil and Gas Corp. That's one of the customer I have or account that I have in Salesforce. And I'll send that to this agent. And you can see it is going to respond with a detailed response that will help me prepare for my meeting. So you can see here is the response. So it has provided me with a high-level account overview. So I can see the industry, annual revenue, how many employees they have, locations, all this account level information. It also shows me some of the key contacts related to that account, what are recent and active opportunities on that account. And then it shows me closed and won opportunities, so recent highlights basically. And then it also recommends next steps or next best action for this account. So I hope this was helpful. You can see how quickly under 30 minutes you can create a very comprehensive sales agent that can leverage data from your CRM instance. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.